Have you ever wondered about the pivotal role that unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs play in modern warfare? As we step into the era of modern warfare, the battleground has expanded beyond the physical realms of land, sea, and air. It has transcended into the virtual universe, creating a new domain of warfare, the cyber domain. This has led to a paradigm shift in warfare techniques with an increased reliance on technology, particularly unmanned aerial vehicles, better known as UAVs. These high-tech marvels are the new warriors of the sky. They are the eyes and ears of the modern soldier, providing real-time intelligence, reconnaissance, and surveillance. They are capable of penetrating enemy territory without risking human lives. In the world of UAVs, one name stands out: the Hermes 450, a product of Israel's advanced drone technology. It's a leading player in the global arena, recognized for its outstanding capabilities and performance. The Hermes 450 is a medium-sized, multi-payload UAV designed for tactical long-endurance missions. It has an impressive mission radius of over 300 kilometers and can remain airborne for up to 20 hours, providing persistent surveillance and reconnaissance. But the Hermes 450 is not just about endurance and range, it's also about versatility. This drone can carry various payloads, including electro-optical sensors, infrared cameras, and synthetic aperture radars. These features make it a formidable tool in the hands of a modern army, capable of performing a wide range of missions, from intelligence gathering to target acquisition and damage assessment. The Hermes 450 is not just a drone, it's a symbol of technological prowess, a testament to human ingenuity. It's a tool that has transformed the face of modern warfare, making it more precise, more efficient, and less human-dependent. In the hands of a skilled operator, the Hermes 450 can turn the tide of a battle, provide critical intelligence, and save lives. It's not just a machine, it's a game-changer. The Hermes 450 is not just a drone, it's a game-changer in the realm of modern warfare. The Hermes 450, a product of Israel's Elbit Systems, is a high-performance UAV that has piqued the interest of the Indian Armed Forces. Let's dive into the specifics of this remarkable piece of technology. First off, the Hermes 450 boasts an impressive endurance level. It is capable of remaining airborne for up to 20 hours non-stop. That's almost an entire day in the sky. This long endurance makes it a formidable tool for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, allowing it to cover vast areas without the need for refueling or landing. Now, let's talk about payload. Payload refers to the equipment a UAV can carry. This can range from cameras and sensors for surveillance to weaponry for combat missions. The Hermes 450 is no lightweight in this department. It can carry a significant payload of up to 150 kilograms. That's about the equivalent of 2 average humans. This extensive payload capacity means it can be equipped with a wide array of tools and equipment, making it a versatile asset on the field. But what's a UAV without advanced surveillance capabilities, right? The Hermes 450 is fitted with state-of-the-art surveillance equipment. It features a multi-sensor payload which includes a forward-looking infrared FLIR camera, a daylight camera, and a laser designator. These tools allow it to capture high-resolution images and video, even under challenging weather conditions or at night. In addition, the Hermes 450 also features a satellite communication system for beyond line-of-sight operations. This means it can operate in remote areas, far away from its control station, and still maintain a reliable communication link. So you see, the Hermes 450 is not just a drone, it's a high-performance, multi-purpose UAV that brings together endurance, payload capacity, and advanced surveillance in one formidable package. With these features, the Hermes 450 stands out as a superior choice in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. But what exactly gives the Hermes 450 an edge over its contemporaries? Well, let's delve into the strengths of this remarkable unmanned aerial vehicle. One of the most significant advantages of the Hermes 450 is its ability to conduct long, uninterrupted missions. With an impressive endurance of over 20 hours, this UAV can stay aloft for extended periods, providing continuous surveillance, reconnaissance, and tactical support. This long flight duration, combined with a range of 300 kilometers, allows the Hermes 450 to cover vast areas, making it an invaluable asset in strategic operations. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Hermes 450 is a multi-role platform capable of carrying out a variety of missions. It is equipped with advanced payloads such as electro-optical sensors and synthetic aperture radars, enabling it to perform tasks ranging from intelligence gathering and target acquisition to damage assessment and battlefield management. This adaptability makes it a one-stop solution for a plethora of military needs. Moreover, the Hermes 450 is renowned for its reliability in various weather conditions. This UAV can operate efficiently in diverse climates, from the scorching deserts to the frigid mountains. Its robust design and advanced avionics allow it to withstand challenging environments, ensuring that it delivers consistent performance regardless of the circumstances. The Hermes 450 also boasts a proven track record in the field. It has been deployed in numerous conflict zones around the world, demonstrating its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Its operational success is a testament to its capabilities, reinforcing its reputation as a reliable and efficient UAV. But the Hermes 450 is more than just a collection of impressive features. It is designed with a clear purpose in mind: to provide military forces with a technological advantage, enhancing their capabilities and contributing to their mission success. The Hermes 450 is not just about power and performance, it's about delivering when it matters the most. The sheer endurance, versatility, and proven reliability of this UAV make it a formidable tool in the hands of our armed forces, ready to rise to any challenge. Why is the Hermes 450 a perfect fit for the Indian Armed Forces? Well, it's not just about the state-of-the-art technology that the Hermes 450 brings to the table or its proven track record in the field. It's about how these aspects align perfectly with India's defense needs. India, a nation with diverse terrains and vast borders, requires a robust surveillance system. The Hermes 450, with its extensive endurance of over 20 hours and a range of 300 kilometers, is tailor-made for this. It can tirelessly scan and secure the borders, ensuring a safer tomorrow for the nation. Now, let's talk about the Hermes 450's payload capacity. It can carry up to 150 kilograms. This feature is particularly beneficial for India, a country that often faces natural disasters. The Hermes 450 can play a crucial role in relief operations by transporting essential supplies to the affected areas. Moreover, the geopolitical relations between India and Israel cannot be overlooked. Israel has been a trusted ally of India, standing shoulder to shoulder in times of need. This strategic partnership has been marked by mutual respect and shared interests, particularly in the realm of defense and security. The induction of the Hermes 450 into the Indian Armed Forces is not merely about acquiring a piece of advanced machinery, it's a reflection of the deep-rooted ties between India and Israel. It's about a partnership that is based on trust, collaboration, and a shared vision for a safer world. The Hermes 450 is not just a drone. It is a symbol of technological prowess, strategic partnerships, and national security. It personifies the new age of warfare, where intelligence and technology reign supreme. And for a country like India, it represents a step forward in safeguarding its borders and its people. The Hermes 450 could be a significant addition to India's defense arsenal, strengthening the nation's security while fostering international relations. So, let's recap what we've learned today about the Hermes 450. This unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, hailing from the innovative minds in Israel, stands as a testament to the evolution of modern warfare. The Hermes 450, with its state-of-the-art features and capabilities, is truly a marvel of military technology. We've discussed how the Hermes 450 boasts an impressive flight endurance of over 20 hours, allowing it to cover vast distances without needing to refuel. This endurance, coupled with its high operational ceiling, gives it an edge in carrying out reconnaissance missions, providing our armed forces with crucial information from the skies. We also delved into the UAV's payload capacity. The Hermes 450 can carry a wide range of systems, from advanced surveillance equipment to precision-guided munitions. This versatility makes it not just a valuable asset for surveillance and reconnaissance, but also a formidable tool in combat operations. But the qualities of the Hermes 450 that truly sets it apart are its robustness and reliability. Its ability to operate in diverse weather conditions and its proven track record in various conflict zones around the world underline its reputation as a reliable piece of military hardware. But what does the Hermes 450 mean for India? We've talked about how this UAV fits perfectly into the evolving defense strategy of our nation. It aligns with our focus on modernizing our armed forces and enhancing our capabilities in the sky. The potential of the Hermes 450 in strengthening India's defense is truly exciting. Furthermore, we've also highlighted the close geopolitical ties between India and Israel. The acquisition of the Hermes 450 is not just a strategic military decision, but also a testament to the strong relationship between our two nations. The Hermes 450, a symbol of strength and reliability, could be the future of India's defense strategy. It represents a leap forward in our military capabilities and a strong commitment to safeguarding our nation's security. The dawn of a new era in Indian defense strategy is on the horizon, and the Hermes 450 could very well be leading the charge.